Hi, eighth grade families. Hope you're all doing well and enjoyed the long Memorial Day weekend. I wanted to take a few minutes to just share an update that you've heard about, that I wanted to be able to speak to you about it, at least on a video recording, to hopefully provide some clarity. So as you all know, our network-wide graduation ceremony for our eighth graders, the date and time were recently moved to Wednesday, June 22nd. I'm going to go over all the specifics in a moment, but wanted to share the reason. The network worked really hard to find a venue that would accommodate all three schools. This will be the first time we've had all three schools graduating an eighth grade class together. And we know after 2 years of remote and partially remote learning that this graduation ceremony is really important to our kids and to our families and our community. And so they worked really hard to find a space that would allow both vaccinated and unvaccinated students and families to be present with a testing requirement. And so in doing that, they were able to secure Bronx Community College. It's a beautiful venue, but it did mean that we needed to shift the date and the time for the network-wide ceremony, which meant that then we as a campus needed to shift our campus-based graduation ceremony to accommodate that. And so you got our survey, getting your input on what day and time was going to be better for our campus-based ceremony. And so I wanted to just confirm where we landed with all of that with you today. So here are eighth grade, like end of year important dates. So given the shift for the network-wide graduation to Wednesday, June 22nd at 2:30 p.m. at Bronx Community College, we have shifted our campus-based graduation ceremony to Tuesday, June 21st in the evening here at Girls Prep Lower East Side Middle. That ceremony is going to take place from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Now, in the survey results, families were slightly more in favor of the Tuesday night option. We were at about 65-35. But we also realized after speaking to Eastside, our co-located school, that Wednesday morning option was going to be really challenging. So luckily, most of you preferred Tuesday night anyway. And so we did land on Tuesday, June 21st from 6 to 7:30 p.m. There will be a photographer on site for printed pictures starting at 5:30 p.m. on that Tuesday. So that backs us up to another shift that we had. As you know, this is not actually a change. Our eighth grade dance remains on Saturday, June 18th. But the final day for eighth grade students to be in the building in classes is now going to be Friday, June 17th. So Friday, June 17th, they'll report, they'll close out their year with their teachers. They'll have their eighth grade dance that Saturday. And then Tuesday, the 21st, that'll be the last day for all other students. Take that back, no, it won't. That will be a regular school day for all other students. But eighth graders will not be required to attend that day so they can get ready for the campus-based graduation. They will also not report to school on Wednesday, June 22nd, because you will report directly to Bronx Community College. The ceremony starts at 2:30. There is going to be a showtime or like a practice beforehand. And so the network will be sharing the time that eighth graders are required to be there. It'll be closer to 12:30 so that they can get a run through at the venue before the ceremony starts. So again, I hope that this was helpful, at least in clearing up a little bit why we were making a shift to the date, how it was really out of an interest to accommodate families as best we could. And we're really, really excited to celebrate this end of year with all of you very, very soon. So please feel free to reach out directly to the leadership team and or to Ms. Walker, the eighth grade team leader, with any other questions, and we will see you all soon. Take care.